Hello guys, I am here and now today I will Gucci belt with double G buckle with snake. Now you can see the belt. Okay, and with the belt have a receipt. You can see the receipt. Okay, and it have laces. Now you can see laces. Print Gucci logo. And it also have a small dust bag. Now you can see the dust bag. You have a Gucci label swirling the dust bag. And the material is silk. Okay, and it have a shipping bag. Now you can see the shipping bag. The logo embossed, and you can see the pen and the inside. Okay, now let's check the belt detail. First, you can see here have a GG buckle, and this one is the snake. You can see, and it is a brass hide wheel. Okay, and then the other side, now you can see the detail, and the little belt. You can see the little belt. It is a painting little. Now you can check. See the detail and the roll card edge. You can see the edge roll card. Okay, and in the last of the belt have two 5 here. And the last now you can see. And the other side, it looks like sweet little, but it's not. You can see the detail. Oh, now you can check. And in this part, near the buckle, you have a logo embossed. Now you can see logo. This is the size, number, Gucci, and it right made in Italy. Now you can see. And here have a handle. Okay, and it also have a box. Now you can see the box. Printed logo. The color is white and black. And you can open it like this. Okay. Okay, if you like this Gucci belt with G buckle with snake, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. Okay, this is my name and my WhatsApp. You can add it. Okay, thank you. See you.